look forward to take off a car just so that I can drive it. A small trip to Burger King or Wendy's or to the convenience store. I'm very eager often to take off a car and just stretch its legs. It's a very fun car to drive. In the streets, on the highway, it never disappoints. Never ever disappoints. I genuinely believe slow cars are more fun than fast cars because like the E46 M3 that is about 330 horsepower, you can sort of roll through the gears before you get to, you know, very high numbers without redlining it. You can roll through the gears and really enjoy going through the gears in the car. A lot of people prefer faster cars, but I don't think you get to enjoy them. You know, the speed limit on the highway, which we'll get to in a second, is 100, 110 some places. But in most places that you're really going to want to enjoy the car, the speed limit is 60 or 40, and you can't do that with those speed limits. Driving the car is so much fun. I can't stop saying that. It's old. You get to feel what cars were like in this day. It's definitely something that I think anyone who's trying to get into the sports car game should, you know, try to drive, try to see how it feels. It's a very unique, well, not necessarily unique, but it's nice, you know. You can drive this and not get into too much trouble. You can actually drive it and really enjoy it. It's what I like about it, you know. It's not too much. So I respect it for that.